we have this enormous opportunity to rebuild America because of decarbonization and new industry and because of AI and technology, that we could bring new steel plants. Now, they're not going to be the 4,500 person plants with blast furnaces, but maybe they employ 800 to 900 people, and their hydrogen or direct reduction impacts, so less carbon emissions, and they're reindustrializing parts like Johnstown, Pennsylvania, or Warren, Ohio, that were deindustrialized. One of the things I think that we can show is that you're going to need immigrant talent to be able to reindustrialize the country. With the CHIPS and Science Act that I passed, we need to have immigrants who understand the advanced semiconductor production, because we haven't been doing it here, who understand some of the contributions on AI. And yet that can also lead to, at its best, to jobs that are for working class folks, that aren't for four-year degrees, and in communities left out of globalization. And that will show that immigration is working for communities left out of the modern economy.